Hi everyone, I'm Anna Marie from Anna Marie Designs and welcome back to my channel, and of course a new video tutorial featuring a beautiful French garden die collection. So we have 6 different sets in this collection, as you know, and they are beautiful spring-like nature inspired designs. So today I will actually be using several of these dies, and in this video tutorial I will be using DL card, and all I did was basically remove a slither about 1 centimeter and a bit of the edge of the front of the card. So what I will be actually creating is a border, but this border will be with my longest shutters, okay, and then we're just going to build a lovely border with our other delicate sort of designs to create sort of very wavy you know, flawless sort of arrangements, for which I will also use a dotty false beautiful die sets. These are beautiful. They look sort of like a wisteria kind of elements, but you know, absolutely love them for all flower arrangements. And of course, let's not forget, we will also include the forget-me-not flowers. So loads to do, and let's crack on. So as you can see, my shutter is going to be going this way. So from this point, okay, if I want to create a border from this point here, I can quite easily make sure that I run a piece of double-sided tape all the way here from top to bottom, and that will be sufficient enough. So, and now we're just going to stick our shutters down, just like so. And of course here, this element will be overlapping, so I will just simply add a drop of glue. There you go. So my beautiful border is done. As you can see, it's nice and tidy on the inside as well. And then we're just going to bring in a couple of sprig needles and run it all the way down here as well. But I don't want to keep applying 3D glue, so all I'm going to do is secure it in one place, and this will be the place where my sort of focal feature is going to go. In this case, obviously, it's going to be my garden dome. So just somewhere here, that would be absolutely fine. Okay, so in which case, I'm just going to apply a strip of double-sided tape here. And this tape is going to literally cover a little bit of my border at the top and also at the bottom, just like so. I can always add more elements in a moment, but for now, let's just focus on the dotty falls. So as you know, they all come beautifully attached at the top, so you don't lose a single piece. And of course, we've got a double falls as well. What I will do, I will actually apply the double dotty falls first, and where you've got the double-sided tape, that is the place where you could begin applying your falls. And now a couple of single ones. What I will do next, it's actually bringing more of my needles into the mix, and of course we can snip out certain areas, so wherever you feel is not enough, you could take another one and obviously bring it into your arrangement. So And now with the bezier one, we're just going to do exactly the same, just trying to fit in here and there as the dotty falls allow us. Okay, so the next thing is my beautiful dome, and I'm not using the largest one, so this is the nice middle one, and of course I sort of curved it a little bit, so I'm going to pop a little pad here at the bottom. There you go. Right, there you go. So that is beginning to look rather nice. On top of my dome, I'm actually going to bring this beautiful sprig circle, which actually beautifully complements what we're trying to create here. But what I'm going to do, the sprigs, I'm going to slightly just cover with a little bit of ink, and we're just going to pop it just like so. And now I'm going to add a little bit of natural fibre. And of course, we will have some birds. My main feature on my border is going to be actually a birdie sort of feature. So, and what I'm going to do, out of my reef trio, I'm just going to snip out the largest of the reefs. And this part, especially here where I've just snipped out two of those, will be going at the base of my reef. So the whole reef here is going to actually frame everything that I've got below. A little bit of glue, and I'm going to go for the hot glue gun. Okay, so this is where I am at this point. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to deboss my birds a little bit. Okay, so everything is done, and now let's just start arranging our creation. So I'm just going to go for my beautiful flower first. This is the largest one that you're getting from the Forget-Me-Not set, and this is the single one, so I'm just going to go here. We can actually bring some of the dotty falls running here and there as you maneuver everything. Okay. And I will also use my beautiful tag, very delicate. All I'm going to do is add a little bit of twine to my tag. So that's my single bow. And if I want to do a double bow, I'm literally threading this part backwards. I'm going to make another knot. Okay, just to secure it. And then I'm going to give myself another set of loops. There you go. So this is my busy bow. Right, so if you look at your tag sets, okay, you have certain, well, several shapes, and of course one is bigger than the other. And if you wanted to have another layer behind the smallest one, all you need to do is choose another one, and of course that's my layer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to give myself a drop of glue, place it as I need to. Okay, and that is my lovely tag. So my tag is ready, and I'm just going to bring stick it down here just below my flowers. That's great. And of course, if I need to pop a couple of green elements here and there, I can always do that. But now let's just add a little bit of shading to my birds. All right. And at this point, I'm going to add small 3D pads to the back of my birdies. And now let's start placing a bird here. Okay, so one is here. Onto my second birdie. I'm just going to pop him just here. I am making sure that my glue is going in places where I have my shutters with the solid elements, so no glue will be visible or going through to the back of my card. Okay, and now we're just going to add a few more birds. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a few of the white dotty foils. We're just going to add them to the mix as well. And then we're just going to start applying a beautiful forget-me-not flowers in places as well. So now very carefully I'm just going to spin it around and secure my dotty foils with the beautiful forget-me-not flowers. And now on to our last few little add-ons. So I've got my beautiful sprigs from Sprig Borders, and they are absolutely complementing us needle sprigs. And I'm just going to add these just in few places, just to give myself more greenery on top of other little things that I have going here. This sprig is just going to go underneath of my flowers, just like so. Okay, I think I will only add a little sprig right at the top. Just here. There you go. And now onto my flower centers, and also a couple of silver gems, because they will beautifully complement my garden dome. And voila, my creation is done. Well, I hope you enjoy this project and feel inspired to give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me for more creative inspiration. I thank you for now and see you very soon. Bye bye for now.